Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to do the unboxing for Huawei Y7A जो Huawei Y series में latest edition है। Huawei अपनी product innovation, stylish design और amazing value for money की वजह से one of the top mobile phones companies in Pakistan मानी जाती है। Okay, so before we start unboxing this phone, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. ये जो bell icon नजर आ रहा है इसको जरूर press कीजिए so that you are informed as soon as we release the detailed review for this phone. Alright, without any further ado, let's do this. इस फोन की मार्केट प्राइस ₹35,999 बॉक्स में मेंशन है। Along with one of the major highlights of this phone, which is a 22.5 watts Huawei Supercharged technology. Upon opening हमें ये कार्ड मिलता है जिसपे Huawei ने अपनी ऐप गैलरी का बताया हुआ है। Although अभी भी not all the apps are available here, but Huawei, considering how fast it is growing, will find its way forward. साथ ही we have a warranty card as well. Time to open the box. Now we are greeted by the phone itself. इसका display size 6.67 inches है and it comes with a 48 megapixel quad camera setup. Here we have a complete guide to pedal search. We can find a cardboard casing जो हम बाद में open करेंगे. The phone comes with Supercharger, a USB Type-C cable, which means long-lasting battery and fast charging. Silicone casing and a SIM insertion tool. We are switching on the phone now. The phone is in crushed green color, which gives a fresh feel. Comes with a 128GB ROM and 4GB RAM. It is a dual SIM phone और साथ additional space भी मौजूद है for the SD card. So, this was the unboxing of the phone. Overall, इस phone की look काफी new है, but we will give a detailed review of the set in our next video. So stay tuned.